Hi, I am Shorty Biscuit and welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing and providing my initial impressions of the EcoFlow Delta 2 power station. It is an 1800 watt power station with a 1 kilowatt hour battery. It can also power some devices up to 2700 watts with its X Boost feature. The manual, the unit, and the cables. We have barrel cables, 5521s. We've got the car charging cable and the wall plug. Unlike the River series, the outlets are on the short side. So this side you have 6 outlets, wall plugs, and you got the 12 volt plug. And here is where you would be charging. So this is for solar input and for car input, and this one is for wall input. And you also have a reset button here. You rotate. You can see here you have the USB outlets. So there's 4 USB A's, 2 of which are fast charge, 2 USB C's at 100 watts. On the back of the unit, there's a port here if you had the extra Delta batteries, and that would give you more battery capacity, watt hours, at the same 1800 watts or 2700 watt X Boost. EcoFlow ships their devices at just about 30% state of charge. I suspect this is going to be 30%, and so I am going to go plug it in and charge it up. That should take probably about an hour. I am also going to connect it to my phone so that I can check progress. I have put the unit to charge and it is almost 47%. That happened in probably just about 10 minutes, and it's going to take another 44 minutes based on the app for it to get to 100% charge. It is currently taking 1.16 kilowatts to charge, and that's been fluctuating between 1.15 and 1.17. You can slow down how long it takes to charge by reducing the input, and that is all done through the app. You can turn on and off ports in the app. You can turn on and off X Boosts, in addition to monitoring the status of input from whether it's the car, solar panels, or the wall outlets. So it's a pretty cool app that gives you a good bit of control over the device. It is just over 97% charged, just about 98, and the input has dropped to just around 300 to 315 watts. I checked a few minutes ago and it was around 600 and something watts, 624 watts ish, when it was just around 93%. So as it got closer to 100% charge, the input watts dropped. Pretty interesting way to do that. The power station is charged. It is up to 100%. It really did take less than an hour, 55 minutes to get to full charge. One nice thing, the power cord has an attached Velcro strap. These may seem like little things, but when you have a lot of cords and you're trying to keep them together, having a built-in Velcro strap is really helpful. The car charging one also has a Velcro strap attached, so that's really cool of EcoFlow to have included that attached Velcro strap. I am going to start testing it out with things around the house. Interesting how much the fan is going on and off. That is a little bit unexpected. I have here some ground chicken, making spaghetti and meat sauce. So I dropped the temperature to medium and it dropped to not having any output at all temporarily. I guess until it needs to put more power in to turn it back on. So the Ninja draws power as necessary while it's cooking. And I guess it turns the heating elements on and off to maintain the temperature. So it went from 45 minutes of time to 99 hours, which is the max. That's because the output is 0 and I just heard a click. And that means it's back on again. And it's going back up to drawing 1.16 kilowatt hours of power. And I heard it drop again. So I guess it's going to be cycling on and off as necessary to keep the temperature even inside of the Ninja Foodi.